The warm spring sun kissed the meadow, coaxing open the first tender blossoms. Inside a hollow oak tree, a hum of activity was already underway. This was the home of a bustling honeybee colony, and today, a tiny new life was stirring. Let's call her Beatrice. Still a helpless larva, she was being diligently fed, royal jelly, by her nurse bee sisters, growing at an astonishing rate. Soon, she spun a silken cocoon, transforming into a pupa, and then, after days of quiet metamorphosis, Beatrice chewed her way out, a brand new worker bee, fuzzy and eager. Her first days were spent in the nursery, cleaning cells and helping to feed the next generation of larvae. Her internal clock, guided by the hive's needs, soon signaled her to move to comb construction, helping to sculpt the hexagonal wax cells that would store honey and pollen. She learned to cap honey cells when they were full and perfectly ripened, a sweet reward for the colony's hard work. As Beatrice matured, her role shifted. She became a guard bee, standing sentinel at the hive entrance, her antennae twitching, ready to fend off any wasps or other intruders. She learned the unique scent of her hive, recognizing her sisters and challenging any outsiders. But the world outside beckoned. One sunny morning, Beatrice felt an irresistible urge to fly. Her first flight was wobbly, a dizzying exploration of the immediate surroundings. She learned to orient herself, memorizing landmarks around her home tree. Then, the real work began. Following the intricate dances of her older sisters, Beatrice learned to forage. She buzzed from clover to dandelion, from apple blossom to lavender, her fuzzy legs collecting golden grains of pollen and her specialized stomach, the honey sac, filling with sweet nectar. She learned to communicate the location of rich floral patches through the waggle dance, a complex series of movements that told her sisters the direction and distance to the best food sources. Her life became a tireless cycle of foraging. She flew miles each day, facing dangers like sudden gusts of wind, hungry birds, and the occasional curious human. She witnessed the beauty of the changing seasons, the explosion of summer flowers, and the dwindling resources of autumn. As the days grew shorter, Beatrice and her sisters focused on preparing for winter. They packed the hive with honey, their golden treasure, and sealed cracks with propolis, a sticky resin collected from trees. The colony clustered together, shivering but warm, sustained by their stored honey. Beatrice, now an older, experienced bee, found her place in the center of the cluster, helping to generate warmth for the queen and younger bees. Her life was short, a mere few weeks or months depending on the season, but it was a life of purpose. She never produced honey directly for human consumption, but she was an indispensable part of the incredible process. She contributed to the health and survival of her colony, ensuring the continuation of her species. She played a vital role in pollinating the flowers that would become fruits and vegetables, a silent, buzzing force crucial to the ecosystem. One cold winter morning, Beatrice, having fulfilled her life's work, quietly ceased to be. But her legacy lived on in the thriving colony, in the sweet honey, and in the vibrant blooms that would burst forth with the return of spring, thanks to the tireless work of bees just like her. Her story, though small, was a testament to the power of community, cooperation, and the incredible, often unseen, wonders of the natural world.